Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. No, the removal order does not just disappear. You can't wait a certain number of years inside the United States and then say, well, enough time has passed, removal order gone, I can go ahead and do my business. Nope, it doesn't work like that. If you had left the United States, you would have been subject to a deportation bar for a certain number of years, depending on your case and depending on why you received the order, and then you would be able to, do consular processing and come back in once the deportation bar had been lifted. Now, for the removal order that you received, I would need to know why you didn't go to your particular court date. Did you know about the court date at the time? Did somebody tell you don't go because they're going to deport you? Were you afraid? Did you affirmatively not go because you were afraid of what would happen? If that were the case, it's unlikely if you make a motion to reopen the in absentia hearing, because that's what happened. It's an in absentia deportation order because you weren't there. Then it's unlikely to be approved. They're going to say, well, you purposely didn't come, and therefore you had an opportunity, you missed it, and that's that. So then there would have to be other forms of relief available, which there may be depending on your case. I would need to know, for example, if you have a family-based immigration case that you might be eligible for, or immigration-based case you might be eligible, an employment-based case and so forth. And so, in that case, it will be likely that things will have to be done. You'll eventually have to leave, do consular processing, and then come back. But if you did not have notice of the hearing, let's say you came in the U.S. and you were going to apply for asylum and they pulled you in and they said they were going to give you notice, and you moved 14 times, and they sent notice to one of your prior addresses which you didn't inform them about, then there's a chance you could do a motion to reopen the in absentia hearing because you simply didn't have legal notice of when the hearing was going to be. So it would depend on your case and what happened as to what you can do at this point. Okay.